Welcome to Boilerplate. This video is for insurance brokers and agents that need a way to streamline collecting data and document requests from their clients or prospects and using that data to populate carrier applications without actually showing the client that carrier application. So first off, what we're able to do is create a reusable checklist. This could be like a commercial insurance application. We can have a digital form with exactly what we're asking. You don't need to send them the whole PDF, just the specific questions that you want them to answer. You can also include specific file requests like the deck page from an existing policy, statement of values, loss runs, whatever you need from them. We can create these checklists for different application types. So all you're going to do, so say you get a new prospect, you're going to add them. You're just going to put in their email address, their name. We'll pick on Betsy Ross since we're in Philadelphia. Choose the application. You can then personalize what you're asking for, set a due date, which will set gentle reminders on what we need, put a custom note if you'd like, and then send the checklist. Now, as soon as this sends, the other party's going to get an email with a link. It's going to say it's coming from you via Boilerplate. You can also take this checklist, and this is what some of our clients do, and we'll put it as a link on their website or in their email signature, like, hey, get a commercial insurance quote, click here, and then this link can go in there. I'll show you what that client's going to see. So your client or prospect's going to click the link. They're going to come into the portal. They're going to see your logo up at the top, right in the middle, real simple. They're going to see this list. They're going to hit get started. And then from here, they can fill the form out. So we're doing it as Betsy Ross, put her phone number in, Betsy Ross flag shop, put in her address or entity type, all that stuff. Right there, boom, it's done. She sees it. If say we want specific file requests, she can go and upload these or mark that they're unavailable. So say she doesn't have an existing policy. And then she gets a pop-up. Says, hey, this is done. It was that easy. She's not bothering you, saying, hey, what do you still need? It's all in one list. And then I'll show you what you see on the admin side. So back in the admin account, you're able to see, Betsy's flag stand, what was sent to her, the digital form, these two requests. So you get to review these individual submissions. You can accept or reject if she says she doesn't have something, or accept the file. If you need to send something back, you can do that. And then what you'll get to do is review the digital form of exactly what she's submitted. And then what you can do is export this data real easily. Export it to a document, choose the template. We're going to put it on the commercial insurance application. And here we go. Here's the magic. So you're not transcribing EIN numbers and addresses and dates. It's like, oh, look, we got her name, we got her address, we've got the entity type, we've got all that information captured from that client, goes immediately into this document. So you don't need to be jockeying all that data back and forth. You can then download that, send that off wherever it needs to go. Real quick and easy. And then what's really nice here is that when you need to renew, let's say we need to renew that person. So what we're able to do is open them up as a contact, and we can actually go and take the data and we can send it for verification. So it's like, hey, here's your existing data. We're going to choose what we're updating it for. And then they're able to literally goes to them and says, hey, we're going to check that all this information you have is correct. They can edit it. They can update it, send it to them. And then that new information can then be exported to a new carrier application. So real simple process to streamline collecting data and documents from your clients and then taking that data and using it to populate the applications, which we know is a super tedious process based on some of our other clients. So boilerplate.co, reach out, let's talk, let's see how we can help your practice automate what they're doing, save a lot of time, better client experience. Let's talk soon. Thank you.